Hello aspirants, I'm Inkar from Inkar IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 19th March current affairs. The topic taken from the early edition. The topic is Section 144, the Code of Criminal Procedure Code. In this topic comes under our GS3 challenges to internal security. In this topic we are going to cover about what is Section 144 Criminal Procedure Code, what are the features of this section, and what are the duration of the section 144, and what are the difference between the section 144 and curfew. Curfew is different from 144, and what are the difference and what are the section has been criticized, what are the absolute power, what are the infringement right, what are the imposing prohibition on the large area not justifiable. So these are the topic we are going to discuss by today's section 144 CRPC. First of all, why it is in the news? There is a curfew in the Nagpur area because of the erupt of the violence in the Aurangzeb tomb. There is a curfew imposed in the jurisdiction of the 11 of the 33 police station in the city. So the police have taken more than 50% in the custody for register live FIRs and stations. So this is the issues today. First of all, we must know what is section 144. What is about? First of all, the about section 144 CRPC, there is a law which empowers the magistrate of any state or union territory in India. They can pass prohibiting the gathering of four or more people in the specified area. That is called the section 144. Actually, it is imposed in the urgent cases of the nuisance or apprehended damage or danger in some event that has potential to cause trouble or damage to human life or property. So that time that curfew, the 144 can be imposed. The order can be passed against a particular individual or general public. And features, what are the features? It places a restriction on handling or transporting any kind of weapons in the given jurisdiction. Actually, the maximum punishment of such an act is 3 years according to order. Under the section, area shall be no movement or public and education institutions shall also be remain closed. Further, there will be a complete ban on holding any kind of public meetings or rallies during the period of the operation in the order. And also it is deemed to be punishable offense, that is the abstract law enforcement agencies from disbanding the unlawful assembly. And also there is a power that gives the power to the authorities to block internet access in this region. And also ultimate purpose of the section 144 is a maintain peace and tranquility order in the area. So that is a main important feature for this section 144. And what are the duration of this section? First of all, the no order under this section can remain in force for a period of more than 2 months. So 2 months only it's possible. Under the state government discretion, it can choose a extend the validity for the two or more months. That is a maximum validity extendable by this 144 is only around 6 months. And once the situation becomes normal, section 144 levy can be withdrawn. So these are the duration of the session. So the feature and duration can be, you must know about 144 CRPC and what is the difference between the section 144 and curfew. Section 144 that prohibiting the gathering of four or more people in the concerned area, while during curfew people are instructed to be stay indoors for a particular period. The government puts a complete restriction on traffic as well. So markets, schools, colleges and officials remain closed under the curfew, and only essential services are allowed to run on prior notice. So these are the difference between the section 144 and curfew. And why this section has been criticized? First of all, it gives the absolute power. First of all, it's too broad and the words to be section of wide enough to give the absolute power to the magistrate that may be an exercised unjustifiably. And also its immediate remedy against the order and revision the application to the magistrate himself only. So and also there is a infringement rights. And that is the infringement of the rights, that is aggrieved individual can approach the High Court by filing writ petition if his fundamental rights are at stake. However, the fears exist that before the High Court intervenes, the right could already have been infringed. So that is a imposing prohibition on the large area. are not justifiable. That is, imposing a prohibitionary orders over a large area is not justifiable because the security situation differs from the place to place, that cannot be dealt with the same manner. That prohibiting order over a large area were ordered in all the Uttar Pradesh during the protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. So these are the main criteria which is criticized earlier. So it will give the absolute power, and there is a rights infringement, and imposing the prohibition of the larger area will affect so many peoples. So these are the criticism about this section 144. Thank you so much.